Hi everyone, Rose Webster here. Nice night for a walk, eh? So here's the latest. 5 independent research teams have determined that Culex are Zika vectors. We now have more proof than we had way back in March 2016. Dr. Aedes let the WHO and the entire scientific community know that Culex should be investigated as a vector. Now, the WHO has chosen to ignore this, and they've chosen to ignore the study from September 7th, 2016 by Gu et al. And now we have outbreaks in Southeast Asia. Today I learned Thailand, and no surprise there. And by the way, speaking of Bangkok, Thailand, we now know that in Barranquilla, Colombia, about 47% of cases arose from sexual transmission, they believe. The quote I was given was about 3% sexual transmission. That's false. I think it's closer to 47%. Here's the other thing. Culex tarsalis reaches everywhere in the US, Midwest US, California, way up into Saskatchewan. As soon as the sun sets, they come out at night, and for the first few hours they like to bite. Now when do they like to bite? They like to bite people between July, which is now, and October. So the initial reports that, oh, Zika counts are down has caused everybody to just kind of relax, hasn't it? And I've talked to a few people that went away on holidays and people around town and so on. And here's the deal, no one's wearing mosquito repellent when they get back because they think it's tropical mosquitoes that are the problem, the daytime biters. So now we have people of reproductive age going out for walks, right? Dating, coupling, whatever, and they're holding hands and they don't want to wear mosquito repellent because it doesn't smell so nice. And these people are being bitten by the most worrisome vector of all is Culex because it can also transmit Wolbachia. And as you know, if you look into my other videos and follow through with my documentary, you'll see that Wolbachia is probably at the root of what's driving this pandemic and future pandemics. But here's the point. The CDC, the WHO, and Health Canada have ignored evidence that I've submitted and by other researchers and scientists from around the world. And the mainstream media is not reporting on the whole truth. This has become very dangerous because now people are going out in the evenings thinking all I got to do is worry about daytime active and the black and white mosquito, when really it's Culex, which a lot of them are brown, dull brown gray. Okay, so I'll leave that with you and hang on there, the documentary's coming. Good night.